Well, this is the one we've been looking for. This is the last panel here at Physicians Regional Building, number 50. We've been setting for about a week now. And finally, we're down to our last one. This panel is about 280,000 pounds. We've got a true 16-point rigging up here, and it's pretty much everything that the crane can do with a 390-ton capacity. Of course, that is right at the edge of his machine. The guys are making sure nothing's stuck, nothing's gonna just fall off of it on their head, so to speak. We've got a recessed form in the bottom, it's coming up with it, not a big deal. We'll pop that right out. All in all, the finish is looking really good. The whole building's come out, I gotta say, very well. And it's been a wonderful time. Ray's going to bring the crane in a little bit, be able to rotate it to a completely vertical position. Right now it's about a 45. As he comes up, the bottom will start sliding towards us. That's got to be the scariest thing for any crane operator. Here she comes now. Now he's taking the full weight of the panel, and she's up in the air. Hanging pretty straight, it's what we like to see, makes it easy on the guys. Let's take a walk around back. Our auxiliary crane is here, ready to go. To swing braces in over the top. This job has rounded corners on the miters. It's a little bit different than what we usually see. But they've all come out really nice. We've got some minor chipping at the bottom that we'll be taking care of. And as they're able to get it into position and level it up, we'll be flying the embraces with our 60-ton that come from Hunter Crane Merchant here in Fort Myers locally. Very regular guys with us. Again, the recesses in these upper corners will create an effect of a continuous window all the way around the corner. Let's take a walk over this way. So it's kind of tight inside. All these braces going back down to the floor, they take up a little bit of room. That's a big part of the reason why we're flying them in with an auxiliary crane. Because as you can see, everything's difficult to get to. So the men are lining up the bottom right now. They want to have that on the mark before they set any weight down on it at all. And then he'll be able to slide it up into position, assuming that we did everything correctly. While they're working, we'll take a look around here. Our elevator tower is all together. Once we get the connections put together on here, we'll be able to remove some braces to allow for better access. These are the connection locations. There's 4 on every corner. We've already begun grouting inside and cleaned the elevator pit out again. So hopefully this will be our last time. One of our primary tasks in the upcoming week is going to be to get the floor into the stair tower area. We got 4 floors up here. And this slab needs to get poured so that we can install pan stairs to make access to the upper floors a little bit easier for everybody. All right, they're swinging the top in now. Looks like the corner come right in. Obviously, there's a little bit of fine tuning to take place, but they're bringing the brace in now. We'll get a brace onto it to hold it still, and that'll be that. It fit.